Hi, this is Rachelle of Scrapcraftastic, and I have a package here from Isis Ella Jewels. They have a sale coming up Friday, January 20th, 2023. I'll leave all the information about that in the description box below, along with my discount code. But let's go ahead and dive in. This just came in the mail, so I haven't opened it. Let's get it unboxed. I saw bits and pieces of this. Again, I don't like to look so that we can all see what's coming together. And I'm pretty sure these are February related. Okay, first off, we get the sticker dashboard. Love that so much. And this one is extra beautiful to me. I will be using this for my February setup. Can't wait. I think this is really nice. And I love the sticker. I love it so much. It's so much better to me than a dashboard that's a hard cardstock, almost like cardboard that I can't really use. So that's great. This is another one. I love you to the moon and back. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wow, these are really nice. And you get two. I don't even know which one I'm going to use where. I probably have to use both of them. Okay, then these are the small sticker sheets. So you've got the couple here. Love is in the air. Let's zoom in some more. There you go. Love is in the air. That's Love is in the air 2. Love is in the air 3. I like that it's couples. Love is in the air 4. And then Planner BFF 1. Planner BFF 2. Planner BFF 3. Planner BFF 4. These are nice. Okay. Then we have the mini kits, the large sheets. This is The Way We Love. These illustrations in this release look a little more airbrushed, which I really like. Got some quotes there. And this one, get the day of the week covers. This is Planner BFF. We've been friends for so long, I can't remember which one of us is the bad influence. This one is giving us the best that we got. Love that one. This one is She Gets Me. This one, I like this one again. Love the soft pastel colors. Got the Monday, and are these like washi strips? Yes, or dividers. You can use them as dividers. I like that. That's new. This is a double box. Oh, there's more mixed in. This is Black Excellence. So for Black History Month, Black Excellence layers. These are nice. Okay. Then Crowned Myself. Love the butterflies. Oh, this is more. Wow. Okay. Beauty. JoJo. More Black Excellence. Here's Radiance. Black Excellence Noted. And then more Black Excellence layers again. Then here we go with Black Excellence on 1,000. Wow, this is pretty. crowned myself again. Black and magical. I like this. Is this a one sticker? No, it's multiple stickers. I like that. I'm that girl. And then I love me. Bold and poppin'. These are really nice going into the end of winter, beginning of spring. I like these a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and see what I can create. I think I'm going to use the BFF stuff and save the rest because a lot of that is for February. So let's go ahead and see what I can come up with the BFF. I need to get caught up again because I've been neglecting my work planner. So now's a good time. I pulled these things out of my tool cover that I used at the beginning of 2022 or sometime in 2022. So eventually I'm going to incorporate those pages in, but we're not going to worry about that today. I did actually move some of the Isis Ella Jewels inserts to the front. So I have the grid in the front here, and then this goes into the weeklies. The February printable inserts for all the different sizes in horizontal and vertical. They are dated inserts are now available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. They've been there for a little while, but just letting you know that they are available. Okay. So I did a little better using this last week. I'm still not where I want to be, but I'm going to keep moving forward. So I'm going to be planning the 16th through the 22nd, or decorating or setting up, however you want to call it. That's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to use Planner BFF. I'm not going to start with washi. I'm actually going to start with this remember sticker. And I'm going to use it here. I'm going to use the girls here. Or the young ladies. I'm going to put this one over here. Let's put it right here. Let's put a checklist here. Since I don't really want to use the same doll on the whole thing, I think I'm going to pull from this one. And I probably should have put that quote somewhere else, but I think I can use this underneath it. Don't like that that's on her head, but it'll be fine. Let's add a little deco. Oh, I didn't know all of that was together like that. I think I'm gonna split this in half. Let's put this on Tuesday. Put this over here, right here. Oh, did I put that upside down? Is that upside down? I think it is. Let's flip it around. Okay, then I'll take this box here and layer it up. Today. I kind of want to put that here. I guess I can layer it up a little bit more. And I don't really want to put bills on here. So, let's see. Let's do the camera. Okay, so since this is just a simple black, white, and pink, let's see how this grid washi will look. let's do it a little different. Let's do a little layering, more journal style. So should I put the black first or the white first? I think I should put the white first. Then let's do some up at the top. I wish I had some pink like this, but I don't. Okay, let's do a little bit more of this. I was actually trying to line up the grid, but I think that's a little over. That's a little too much. Okay. Let's see. I don't think I want to use the rest of this. This could be a whole other spread. So let's put that up. Okay, so I got a few pink boxes left. So let's use a couple of these, and then I think we'll be good. So these are basic boxes. They are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. All right. Let me make sure there's nothing else I want to use here. Let's use a couple more of these. Let's get the checklist. Okay, let's see about some script stickers. So let's do a to-do here. So we're gonna do a plan here. All right, bent up my paper. Let's pop this back in. Again, try to keep it simple, even though I keep saying that and then I feel like I do more than keeping it simple. I really do. All right. So here we go. Very nice. So that's it. That's the spread. I'm using new releases from Isis Ella Jewels. I used the Planner BFF mini kit. I also use basic boxes that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites, as well as the inserts that are also available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. I use washi tape that was actually sent to me in Happy Mail, and that's it. That's everything I use. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all the information for the sale coming to IsisEllaJewels.com. The information will be in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.